Traditional roof coatings can sometimes be a battle. Crews are fighting against time and unpredictable weather. Labor shortages can extend even simple jobs by days or weeks. At GAF, we feel your pain, and that's why we're proud to bring you a low VOC, labor-saving coating solution, RoofShield IS, fast-set acrylic coating. Because RoofShield IS is a two-part catalyzed acrylic, it has the ability to resist rainwater wash-off in minutes, not hours, while also having the ability to be applied in just a single coat. This allows crews to complete jobs in less time, increasing profits and job capacity volume.
With RoofShield Instant Set, contractors can now build up multiple mil thicknesses in one pass, which equal labor savings. RoofShield is a true labor savings product.
Because typical one-part acrylic systems require multiple hours to dry, a traditional acrylic coating would drip right through the holes on this board. However, with RoofShield IS, the coating sets instantly with no dripping. If you're a contractor versed in spraying coatings and looking for an innovative solution to bring to your customers, look no further than RoofShield IS. Contact your GAF representative or visit gaf.com to learn more about our care training classes and to begin saving money one installation at a time.
RoofShield IS is a two-part acrylic coating system. As you can see with this, the two parts allow this to dry real fast. I turn off the catalyst and we're spraying just regular RoofShield. And as a traditional coating, it's gonna take up to 24 hours to dry. Hey John, you've done a great job. Come on, let's have a seat. Have a seat, dude. Hey, we kicked some butt today, dude. Great job, great job. Instant Set is where it's at. Let's go.
Oh, it's so